Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Identify your exact phone model and confirm it supports a physical SD card. This matters because many modern phones lack slots. Once done, power the device fully off to prevent data loss and get the SIM eject tool or a narrow paperclip ready. You will insert the tool into the tiny hole on the device edge. Apply gentle, steady pressure until the tray pops out. This first step exposes the tray that holds SIMs and the micro SD, so don't rush it. With the tray out, you must visually inspect the slots to find the micro SD location. Trays vary. Some place micro SD beside SIM, others above it. Once you see the card-shaped slot, use your fingernail or tweezers to lift the micro SD gently. It often sits flush and clicks into place. Make sure you note the correct orientation. Metal contacts face down in most phones, and the cut corner aligns with the slot. If you remove the card, keep it on a clean, static-free surface. After reinserting the tray carefully, power the phone on and watch for an SD notification. You want the system to mount it automatically. Then open Settings and go to Storage or Files to verify capacity and readable folders. This confirms the card is recognized. If the SD doesn't appear, power down, remove it, clean the gold contacts gently with a dry cloth, reseat precisely, and restart. If still failing, try the card in another device to isolate whether the card or phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.